Hello everyone! Today I'm going to make kidney beans salad. The ingredients are kidney beans, tomatoes, and red onion. Now I'm going to chop my vegetables in small slices. I really like tomatoes and I often add them to my salad. Kidney beans are rich in protein and high in fiber, making them a very important part of a healthy vegetarian diet. If you like cilantro, you can add it in the salad. First thing I'm going to do is mash my kidney beans. Now I'm going to add the vegetables. I then season with salt, a little bit salt, black pepper, a little bit of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of vegetables oil. I like kidney beans a lot. They are a good source of several vitamins and minerals. Stir well to combine everything. Now my kidney beans salad is done. I'm going to taste it. It's delicious. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe for more videos. Hope you all have a nice day. Bye bye.